Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking down the essentials and launching your first search. Make sure your account has the right permissions and API access so you can export lists. Next, define your ideal customer profile, industry, revenue band, employee count, and location, because precise filters save hours. Use Zoominfo's advanced filters for technographics and seniority to narrow results. Once done, preview a sample list and immediately export a short CSV to test your outreach flow and confirm data fields match your CRM. You now enrich and organize your prospects to make outreach scalable. Start by enriching core records with emails, direct dials, technographic tags, and verified status flags so you know quality at a glance. Then segment into high, mid, and low priority tiers based on intent signals, recent funding, or product usage. This guides messaging cadence. Make sure to map Zoominfo fields to your CRM, set a sync cadence, and enable deduplication rules to avoid contact chaos once you push lists live. You finish by executing outreach and closing the loop with measurement and fixes. Launch multi-channel cadences combining email, calls, and LinkedIn touchpoints with varied timing to maximize reach. Track deliverability, response rate, meetings booked, and cost per lead to see what moves the needle. If match rates or data quality drop, refresh your list, narrow filters, or re-enrich problem records. Make sure to revisit your ICP and sequence timing. That troubleshooting step prevents wasted spend and keeps pipeline conversion healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.